Hi guys! In this video is a tutorial on how to install a Chrome OS. When installing an OS, you need a bootable device like flash drive, hard disk drive. On this video, you will see how to install a Chrome OS. Sa pag-install po ng mga OS is need natin ng flash drive, hard disk drive. Pero ang common na ginagamit po natin sa pag-install ng operating system is a flash drive. And pagkatapos po nun, saksak na lang po natin sa anumang device like laptop or PC, computer like that. And then pagkasaksak po natin, magkiklik po tayo sa keyboard ng F2 or F11, F12, depende po sa device yan. And pagka-click po natin doon, lalabas na po to. Welcome. Ito po ang Chrome OS. And then, click the Let's Go button. And then, next ulit. Wait lang po natin. Wait lang po natin ilang seconds or minutes. And then, ito po yung anonymous data collection. Check po natin and then continue. And then need po natin mag-sign up. Lagay po natin yung Google natin, Google account. Click po natin next pag nalagay na po natin Google account natin. And then enter your password. Wait lang po natin na lang seconds. And all set na po tayo. And click po natin yung Get Started. Wait lang po natin mag-loading. Then click ulit natin yung Get Started. X po natin na to. Ito na po yung Chrome OS. This is the Chrome OS and that's all. Thank you.